Hello friends, in this problem you have been given an equation that is x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then you have to find the value of x raised to the power 16 minus 1 divided by x raised to the power 8 plus 2x raised to the power 7. Now how will you solve this problem? You see, in this case in the numerator you have x raised to the power 16 minus 1. You can basically factorize this. If you remember the formula a square minus b square, this can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So let us use this formula to factorize this term. So we have x raised to the power 16, and 16 can be written as x raised to the power 8 into 2 minus 1, and this divided by x raised to the power 8 plus 2x raised to the power 7. Now remember the rules of power. If we have a raised to the power m times n, this can be written as a raised to the power m raised to the power n. So with this rule, I can rewrite this is x raised to the power 8 whole square minus 1 square. And this is x raised to the power 8 plus 2x raised to the power 7. Now see, this is nothing but a square minus b square. So I can write a plus b into a minus b. And this is same x raised to the power 8 plus 2x raised to the power 7. Now see this term, this 1 I can further write 1 square. Now this is again a square minus b square, because x raised to the power 8 can be written as x raised to the power 4 and then whole square. So this I can further simplify. So this becomes x raised to the power 8 plus 1, and this will be x raised to the power 4 plus 1, and this will be x to the power 4 minus 1, and this divided by x raised to the power 8 plus 2x raised to the power 7. Now see, this term can further be broken, because this is again x square minus basically the formula a square minus b square. So if you further rewrite this expression, this becomes, so whole expression becomes like this. So x raised to the power 8 plus 1, and then 4 plus 1, x raised to the power 4 plus 1, and this becomes x square plus 1 into x square minus 1, and this divided by this term, x raised to the power 8 plus 2x raised to the power 7. Now I will use this expression, that is the initial expression x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So I will calculate each term separately. The first term, that is x square minus 1, what will be the value of this term? So x square minus 1, from here this is x square minus 1, and if you take x to the right hand side, so this becomes x square minus 1 is simply equals to x. So this is equals to x. So this term is gone. Now the second term, x square plus 1. Now once again from this expression you can say, if you add in this case both sides 2, so what you will have? You will have x square plus 2 minus 1, and this is equals to x plus 2. So this becomes simply x square plus 1, and this is equals to x plus 2. So I will have this term is equals to x plus 2. Now let us consider the third term, that is x raised to the power 4 plus 1. Now this is tricky, how we will get this term? So what we can do is, we can rewrite this expression and then we can square, so that I can get power 4. So I will have x square is equals to x plus 1, and let us square both sides. So this side will have x4, and this side will have x square plus 2x plus 1. So this means x raised to the power 4 plus 1, this is equals to, both sides I am adding 2, 1. So this is x square plus 2x plus 2. So now I know the value of x4 plus 1. This is equals to x square plus 2x plus 2. But from this equation I can also write this equation, that is x square is equals to x plus 1. That is, this term I can further simplify. X square is equals to x plus 1 and plus 2x plus 2. So this becomes 3x plus 3, that is 3 times x plus 1. Now the next term, you have x raised to the power 8 plus 1. How will you get this term? Once again, you will need to do a squaring both sides. So you have the value of x4, this expression. I can square this, so this will be x4 whole square and x square plus 2x. What will be this? Or you can simply write here x square is x plus 1. You see, we have already said from this expression the x square is equals to x plus 1. So I want to reduce the power, and that's why I will replace x square with x plus 1. So x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 and then whole square. So I will have x raised to the power 8. This is equals to 3x plus 2 whole square. So this is 9x square plus 4 plus 3 into 2, 6 into 2, 12x. And then you need x raised to the power 8 plus 1. So this will be 9x square plus 12x, and I'm adding 1 both sides, so this is 5. And we can further remove x square. X square is nothing but x plus 1. So this is 9 times x plus 1 plus 12x plus 5. So what is the value of this term? So this is 9x plus 12x, that is 21x, and 9 plus 5, that is 14. So this is the value of x raised to the power 8 plus 1. So let us put it here. So this is 21x plus 14, or if you want you can take 7 common, so 3x plus 2. Now let us plug everything to the original equation. So this was my original equation. So I have pasted the original equation here, and then I can plug all the value. So the first value is x square minus 1. This is equals to x. So let us plug this value first. So this value is equals to x. And then you have x square plus 1, and this is x plus 2. And x4 plus 1, that is 3 times x plus 1. And then you have x8 plus 1, that is this term, that is 3x plus 2, 7 times. And this divided by, you have x raised to the power 8 plus 2 times x raised to the power 7. Now we can rewrite. So this is 7 into 3, 21, and this is 3x plus 2, and this is x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x, and in the denominator we can take x raised to the power 7 common. So this will be x plus 2. Now see, this term and this terms cancels out. In fact, x also cancels out. So we will have 21 times 3x plus 2 times x plus 1, and this divided by x raised to the power 6. And since we have cancel x plus 2 and x plus 2, this means x plus 2 is not equal to 0. This means x is equals to not minus 2. And this is the case because it was given initially x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So if you put x equals to minus 2, this does not satisfy this condition. So x is equals to minus 2 is not a solution. So we can cancel out. Now the simplified expression I have, that is 21 times 3x plus 2 times x plus 1, and in the denominator we have x6. So we have to reduce the power. So I can write x4 times x raised to the power 2. So x raised to the power 4 times x raised to the power 2. And x square is what? X square is nothing but x plus 1. So I can replace this with x plus 1. And now what was x4? We already calculated x4. If you see here, this is x4. You can write from this equation. x4 plus 1 is this. So this means x4 is equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1. So this is x square plus 2x plus 1. And in fact, you can further replace x square with x plus 1. Now see. So this is 21 times 3x plus 2. And this is x plus 1. And this divided by. So you have 3x plus 2 and x plus 1. You see the miracle. Now this term cancels, this term cancels. Similarly, this term cancels, this term cancels. So finally, your answer is 21. So this is the value of the desired expression. And of course, I have assumed that whenever I am cancelling something, I have assumed that these terms are not 0. That is 3x plus 2 is not equal to 0 and x plus 1 is not equal to 0. This means the roots that is coming from this equation does not satisfy the given condition. You can check yourself, and that's why this assumption is valid assumption. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.